In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine text and images in Canva to create a typography design. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 pixels for the width and 100 pixels for the height, then click Create New Design. After the blank canvas opens, go to the text section and click Add a Heading. Type the word you want to use in your design. For example, a word like snow. Change the font to something bold and easy to read. Bold fonts work best when combining text with images. Next, change the text color if needed so it stands out clearly. Now click on the blank canvas and choose a background color that contrasts with the text. For example, you can use a dark background with light text. After that, go to the Elements section and search for an image or graphic that fits your design theme, such as a tree or other illustration. Add the image to the canvas and adjust its size and position. Place the image so it overlaps or interacts with the text to create a combined visual effect. You can also duplicate the image and place it around the text to add more depth to the design. Adjust the layout until the text and image work together as one composition. Finally, review your design and make sure everything looks balanced. When your typography design is ready, click Share and then download. Choose PNG or JPG to save your final design.